So as a person that refers people to the book, like what's the best way to introduce someone to the chapters of the book? Do you say read it front to back, or is it like what have you found that
Mhm.
the people have told you how best it's landed with them?
Well, there's a lot of different versions. So interestingly, the CEO this morning, um, with their team, is going to go through in their weekly meetings and just review one of the chapters and discuss it with their team every week or every couple of weeks. So they're just going to work their way through the book like an internal leadership development program. I've heard that a ton. That's also why there's a workbook,
Right,
and
right.
you can download that off the site and people can have that for free. I'm happy to share all that. But so that's one. But the other one is just situational. Like, well, there's the second one is to do the assessment online. There's an assessment on the site, which is to assess yourself, and but based on the questions, it kind of gives you a scoring
Yeah.
to give you a sense of what might help. But for me, I just listen to when people have either big opportunities they can't make happen or big challenges that are holding them back, one of the two, the big stuff. And usually it ends up pointing them to a certain tool. And I'll say, why don't you just go read that chapter and do the exercises?